Did you know that pineapples are not just delicious but also packed with health benefits? Today, we're on a pineapple journey, uncovering 12 incredible benefits of this tropical delight. And, of course, we'll explore delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet. But before we get started, a quick disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for enlightenment and educational purposes only. While pineapples offer various health benefits, it's essential to remember that individual reactions may vary. If you have any allergies or specific health concerns, please consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Now, let's jump into the fantastic world of pineapples. First up, the immune-boosting power of vitamin C. Pineapples are loaded with this essential nutrient, helping you stay resilient against common illnesses. 1 cup of pineapple provides a delightful vitamin C boost. Benefit 2. Did you know that bromelain, a unique enzyme in pineapples, is a fantastic anti-inflammatory agent? It not only aids digestion, but can also help reduce swelling and alleviate sinusitis symptoms. Benefit 3. Let's talk about manganese. Pineapples are rich in this mineral, supporting energy production and a healthy metabolism. Consider pineapple your natural energy booster. Benefit 4. For a happy tummy, pineapple comes to the rescue. Packed with dietary fiber, it aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut. Your digestive system will thank you. Benefit 5. Protect your cells with pineapple's antioxidants. These natural compounds defend against free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. It's like having a cellular superhero. Benefit 6. Calling all athletes. Pineapple is an excellent source of natural carbohydrates, providing the energy needed for workouts and aiding in muscle recovery. Fuel your active lifestyle with a taste of the tropics. Benefit 7. Stay refreshed with pineapple's high water content. It's the perfect hydrating fruit, especially on hot days. Keep your skin glowing and your body hydrated with this juicy tropical fruit. Benefit 8. Speaking of skin, vitamin C in pineapples promotes collagen production, keeping your skin firm and radiant. Say hello to a natural skincare ally that fights wrinkles and sun damage. Benefit 9. Bromelain in pineapples has shown potential cancer-fighting properties in preliminary studies. While more research is needed, it's exciting to explore the potential health benefits of this tropical gem. Benefit 10. Indulge guilt-free. Pineapple's unique sweet and tangy taste makes it a delicious snack without derailing your healthy eating habits. Enjoy the goodness of pineapple without the worry. Benefit 11. Did you know pineapples contain beta-carotene? This nutrient supports vision health, adding an extra layer of goodness to this tropical fruit. Benefit 12. Last but not least, let's talk about stress. The sweet aroma and delightful taste of pineapples can offer a mini tropical escape, potentially contributing to stress reduction. It's like a vacation in every bite. Now that we've explored these incredible benefits, let's talk about how to enjoy pineapples. Whether you prefer them fresh or incorporated into dishes, the options are endless. Fresh and simple. Start with the classic, fresh pineapple slices. It's a refreshing snack on its own or paired with other fruits for a colorful fruit salad. Smoothies and juices. Blend up a tropical storm. Pineapple adds a sweet and tangy twist to smoothies and juices. Try combining it with other fruits for a delicious morning boost. Grilled pineapple. Take your taste buds on a journey. Grilled pineapple is a delightful treat. The caramelization enhances its natural sweetness, making it a perfect dessert or side dish. Salsas and salads. Add a burst of flavor to your meals. Pineapple salsas and salads are not only delicious, but also a great way to incorporate the benefits of this tropical fruit into your main dishes. Pineapple desserts. Indulge your sweet tooth. From pineapple upside-down cake to pineapple sorbet, there are countless dessert options that showcase the delightful taste of this tropical gem. There you have it, 12 amazing benefits of pineapple, and some delightful ways to savor them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty insights and healthful tips.